ओम श्री परमात्मने नमः। अथ चतुर्दशोऽध्यायः। गुणत्रयविभागयोगः। श्रीभगवानुवाच परं भूयः प्रवक्ष्यामि ज्ञानानां ज्ञानमुत्तमम् यज्ञात्वा मुनयः सर्वे परां सिद्धिमितो गताः। Shri Bhagavan, the Supreme Lord, Uvacha said, Param, Supreme, Bhuyaha, once again, Pravakshyami, I shall explain, Jnananam, of all knowledge, Jnanam, knowledge, Uttamam, the best, Yat, which, Jnatva, having known, Munayaha, the sages or munis, Sarve, all, Param, the highest, Siddhim, perfection, bliss or goal, Itaha, from here, Gataha, have attained. Idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sargepi nopajayante pralayena vyathanti cha. Idam, this, jnanam, wisdom, upashritya, taking refuge in or abiding in, mama, my, sadharmyam, the same nature, agataha, having arrived at, sarge, at the time of creation, api, even, na, not, upajayante, are born, pralaye, at the time of dissolution, na, not, vyathanti, are disturbed, cha, also. Mama yonir mahad brahma tasmin garbhan dadhamyaham sambhava sarva bhutanam tato bhavati bharata. Mama, my, yonihi, womb, mahat brahma, the great prakriti or the total material substance, tasmin, in that, garbham, seed, dadhami, give or place, aham, I, sambhavaha, birth or origin, sarva, all, bhutanam, of beings, tataha, thereby, bhavati, become, bharata, O Arjuna, descendant of Bharata. Sarva yonishu kaunteya मूर्तयः सम्भवन्ति याः तासां ब्रह्ममहद्योनिः अहं बीजप्रदः पिता Sarva, all, yonishu, in wombs or species of life, Kaunteya, O Arjuna, the son of Kunti, Murtayaha, forms, Sambhavanti, come into existence, Yaha, whatever, Tasam, of all of them, Brahma, Prakriti, or the total material substance, Mahat, great, Yonihi, womb or the source of birth, Aham, I am, Bija, seed, Pradaha, giving, Pita, father. Knowledge of the divine wisdom of the self leads the seeker to become one with the Supreme Lord. Such divine souls are liberated forever from the cycles of birth and death. All universal manifestation is the reflection of the union of the Lord's material nature with the soul. Indeed, Prakriti is the womb on which individual souls manifest as willed by the Supreme Lord. The Supreme Lord said, I shall once again explain to you the supreme knowledge, the best of all knowledge, having known which all the sages have attained the highest perfection. Taking refuge in this wisdom and thus having arrived at my nature, one is neither born at the time of creation nor does one get disturbed at the time of dissolution. My womb is the great Prakriti, and in that I place the seed. Thereby all beings come into existence, O descendant of Bharata. O son of Kunti, whatever forms come into existence in all species of life, the great Prakriti is the source of birth of all of them, and I am the seed-giving father. Shri Bhagavanuvacha Param Bhuyah Pravakshyami Jnananang Jnanamuttamam Yajñātvā Munayas Sarve Param Siddhimito Gataha. Idang jnanamupashritya mama sadharmyamagataha sarge pinopajayante pralayena vyathanti cha. Mama yonirmahad brahma Tasmin garbhan dadhamyaham Sambhavas sarva bhutanam Tato bhavati bharata. Sarva yonishu kaunteya Murtayas sambhavanti yaha Tasam brahma mahadyonihi aham bija pradah pita.